So now we are going to see some other concepts like what is the GST registration in RCM or the input tax credit or compliance in RCM. All these we are going to see, and then we'll see what is the list of goods or services. Okay, so like I told you before, this will be a Q&A kind of interactive session. So next, all the upcoming slides will be a Q&A based presentation. So first question, there is Messrs. Rama Traders. There's some Rama Traders, and their aggregate turnover is 9 lakhs, and they pay 2,000 rupees to a GTA, to Soumya Transport Agency. They pay 2,000 rupees. So now whether Rama Traders is required to get registered under GST or not. So Rama Traders annual turnover is only 9 lakhs. It is less than the threshold limit of 20 lakhs. And now they are paying 2,000 rupees to a GTA. Whether Rama Traders has to get registered under GST or not. Good evening, Kalyani ma'am. Good evening. Shivkumar sir, we will discuss about ITC provisions also. Post that if you have a question, any question, please post it. Not required, yes. Santosh Kumar sir, no. Uma Maheshwaran sir, no. Okay, yes, Bhaskar sir. Shivkumar Pillai sir, no need to register. No, no, no. Yes, registration is required. Section 24, very good. Yeah, nice. Yeah. No threshold limit under RCM, Narayan Swami sir. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So answer is yes, they have to get registered because of section 24. Like many people had mentioned, as per section 24, what does it say? Notwithstanding anything contained in 22(1). That means whether or not your turnover is more than the threshold limit, whether or not it is more than 20 lakh or 40 lakh, the following persons are compulsorily required to take GST registration. So one of the persons mentioned over there is persons required to pay tax under reverse charge. So if you're supposed to pay tax under reverse charge under 9.3 or 9.4 in any situation, and even though your annual turnover is less than 20 lakhs, you have to take GST registration and you have to pay GST in RCM basis for those transactions. Okay. So one more important note over here regarding GTA is the exemption notification. So there's an exemption notification 12 of 2017 where they've given exemption for certain GTA services. So the exemption is in case your the GTA is charging you less than 1,500 in a single carriage. If it's less than 1,500, then it is exempted, right? But in this case, Rama Traders, how much do they pay? They pay 2,000 rupees, more than the exemption limit. So they have to get registered under GST. Okay. Kunal sir, per day 5,000 limit, no GST. Sir, that section 9.4, like I told you, it has already been changed. This 5,000 limit is not applicable to anything right now. That notification has already been, rescinded. So that 5,000 rupees limit is not applicable now. Please note. Still, many people ask me whether I have to pay, RCM on stationaries purchased. Whether or not below or above 5,000, it is not applicable. Section 9.4 unregistered RCM is applicable only on notified goods and services, and that is related to real estate only. Real estate and construction of building. I will discuss that towards the end of the presentation. Please wait. So 9.4, please be very clear. 9.4 is applicable only on specified goods and services, not on everything like it was before. Sanjay Kumar sir, I didn't understand your query, sir. Can you please repeat? 20 lakh or 40 lakh, sir? 20 lakh is in case of services and 40 lakh in case of goods, sir. Can you please explain again, sir? Nanjunda Rao sir, so basically I was telling that even if your threshold total turnover is less than a threshold limit for GST registration, that is a threshold limit is 20 lakhs in 20 lakhs and 40 lakhs, right? So even if it's less than that, generally you won't get any, you won't require any registration. But in case you're getting any services or goods which is under RCM and you have to pay tax, then you have to get registration compulsorily and pay tax. That's what I was saying. GTA is a good transport agency. So basically, they issue a consignment note to you for transporting goods and all that. So if a transport agency is issuing you consignment note, then it falls under GTA definition and RCM is applicable in that case. This webinar will be posted on YouTube channel. Yes, sir, it will be. Please wait. The 750 or 1500 is based on the carriage, sir. If the entire carriage is for transportation of the goods of that client, then it is 1500. Section 94 category, sir, I'll give you the PPT also, it's there. I will be discussing, don't worry. But it is only related to, real estate. So you needn't worry.
Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.